are some clips from the original episode called Extract Ancestors from City Directories. There is a handout for this episode, and you can learn more about that by checking out the description box below this video on the YouTube channel. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to my ancestor. This is my great-grandfather, Herman Miller Madsen. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see this a little bit better. If we scroll down, we see that there are several city directories here. So what I've done is I have opened those up. So here's one from 1955. And if we scroll in, this is Herman Madsen and his wife, Frances. All right, so there's Herman and Frances. They're living in a house at 367 Loma Avenue in Long Beach in 1955. Okay, hold that thought for a moment. Here's Herman and Frances at 367 Loma Avenue. All right, so what's the goal here? Why would we want to do this on city directories when everything's already alphabetized? Well, we could find variations in the same spelling, as we saw Madison a moment ago. So what we can do is we can extract that data, and we can quite quickly extract everybody on this page. And if we wanted to extract several pages, we could. But because in a city directory, everything's alphabetized anyway, you could probably just skip to the names, the surnames that you want and extract only those. So let's jump over to an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to click and I'm going to drag all the way to the bottom. I just find it easier just to go ahead and copy all the information. And then I'm going to Control C to copy. And then I'm going to go back to my Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to go into the second column. And I'm going to right click, I'm going to paste special, I'm going to pick text, and I'm going to say go. And it's lined everything up the way the previous one was. Hey, we're going to get back to that video here in just a moment, but I want to let you know that Genealogy TV has a website, a newsletter, and a Facebook page. Links for all of that are in the show notes below. All right, let's get back to it. So if we wanted to sort by name now to try and find our ancestors, we click the down arrow. And in this case, because the name, the first name and the surnames are not separated in different columns as they were in the census record video, we can actually search for Madsen or variations of it in this search box. So if I type Madsen, it's automatically checking, look, select all search results for those who have Madsen, right? So it's showing all of the ancestors with the Madsen name, regardless of whether they have a middle initial or not. And we can click OK, and it gives us just all of the ancestors that are in the Madsens. There are 3 ways you can get the handouts. Now, the first way is to join the channel membership here at the Information Access Level channel membership on the YouTube channel, and then go to the Community tab and you'll find the posts that have the handout links in there. All you have to do is follow the link and download the handouts. Okay, now the second way is over at Patreon. Now, at Patreon, if you're at the Happy Dance level or higher, you can get the handouts. Those come directly to you in an email every time we announce the new video that has a handout with it. You'll also get early release with that membership. All right, and then the third way is just to go over to genealogytv.org and click on the handouts tab, and you can find all the handouts there for individual purchase. So I hope that was helpful. The handouts really do support the channel, and for that, I thank you.